to fix MySQL Shutdown Unexpectedly error on your PC or laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix your MySQL Shutdown Unexpectedly on your Xampp issue. So if you're also facing such issue on Xampp, so first thing what you should be doing is just make sure you stop all of those actions like MySQL and Apache server from your local host, that is your Xampp control panel. So make sure you restart those services like Apache server and MySQL database and simply head over to admin section to make sure or confirm if it's working or not. So if you are still facing such issue, that means MySQL server, that must be regarding your MySQL issue. So in that case, what you need to do is just come over to this config section at the top right corner and simply click on this two enabled options like this and check this and simply save those. So if it's still facing your issue regarding that, so the final thing what you can do is just come over to any of your favorite browser and simply relaunch or reinstall the whole application from your browser. So if you already have a setup file, you just need to uninstall that particular setup file of Xampp and reinstall that. So if you don't have any setup file, just come over to this page and just click on this download Xampp and select it according to your bit or system requirement of your computer, and once you download it, just reinstall the application and your issue should be fixed once you retry your application just like this. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.